so welcome to part 2 of my pop-up outlet sale. So hopefully you just watched my part 1 video of everything that you need for summer. All of those summer products are on sale now until Monday, May 6th. So I hope that you guys are going to snatch up some of these awesome deals, you guys. You won't see these deals for a long time, and you probably won't see some of these products again either in these certain prints. So this section is going to be just for you and just for gifting ideas, because we know that May is the perfect time to get gifts for graduations, for teacher gifts, into the school year, so many things, that birthday gifts that we just want to stock up on. So in May, for every $35 that you spend, even if it's on outlet sale products, you still qualify for the May customer special. So I have a whole separate video on that. The small utility tote for $12, or the crossbody organizing tote, you guys, I love this tote, for $15. So I have a whole separate video. Make sure you watch that. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. That way you can see all of my videos and don't miss anything that I show. All right, so first things first, I'm going to show you the product. Besides that rolling cooler that I showed you in my first video, this is the second thing that everybody asked me for after an outlet sale because they didn't grab it. And honestly, I don't know how much longer this one will be in the outlet sale. This is the triple duty caddy, okay? So it sounds kind of boring. You're like, how can I use this? So in the sale, it's going to come in this candy corners print, okay? But mine is in a black and white print, but it's the same product, okay? So it has the long handles. It's like a triple duty section. So there's 3 separate sections here. So on the front, you have a place for a photo. So you can put, if you're giving this as a teacher gift, you can put the class photo right inside here. You have a place for pens, 3 little separate places for pens. You have a section right here. You have a middle section right here. And then you also have a section back here. So not only is this a great mobile office, but say you need a teacher gift. Maybe your teacher travels from room to room, or maybe she's taking things with her from work, or if you're taking things with you from your office. You can put books on this middle section, tons of books. I just have a little binder here just to show you. Even on the middle section here, you can see that it can hold so many things. But if you're using this as a mobile office, you may consider pairing this with our fold-in file. So this is an old fold-in file. This is actually the one that I use in my office. It holds the hanging file folders, but the fold-in file fits perfectly down in the middle section of this triple duty caddy. So you guys can see that it's right here in this middle section, and I also have room in this section right here to put more notebooks or anything else that I'm traveling with. The back section has notebooks. The middle section has file folders. So if your teacher is carrying home, maybe she has a file for every student in her class and she's grading papers at home or taking things home with her, this is the perfect gift. You could even put a picture of your child here if you don't want to put a class picture in there. But this is great for realtors, for you know, anybody that is taking their work to and from somewhere. This is an excellent product. The triple duty caddy is on sale. It was a hostess only item, and now it's available for customers in the outlet sale until Monday. Okay, so you guys are going to want to get your hands on that, because I don't want anybody messaging me saying, I need a triple duty caddy, because after Monday, they will not be available anymore. All right, the next thing I want to share with you guys is the Stacking Jackson's wallet. Okay, so this is on sale in my outlet sale in the red print. This is just the one that I have. So it is a disclaimer. Some of the things that I show you here in my video, I may not have the certain print that is in my sale, but it's the same product. Okay, so this is the Stacking Jackson's wallet. It zips all the way around the edge. You open it up, and you have card slots here, a place for your ID. You have a section back here, and then here you have a zipper pouch, and then you open it up to a section right here. And just to kind of show you size comparison, because you guys know I love my Benjamin's wallet, this is it compared to the Benjamin's wallet. So the Benjamin's wallet is longer, and I think it's just a little bit taller, okay? You can also add a wristlet strap on the Stacking Jackson's wallet in this little D-ring right here, which is kind of hard to see. So this is on sale Another wallet that's on sale is the Perfect Sense wallet. It's in several prints in my sale, just not this one because this is the only one I had in my hands. But the Perfect Sense wallet, it has two little zipper sections, so it zips all the way around the edge also. You open up the front section, and if you have like an iPhone, like a regular size iPhone, even my iPhone 8 Plus, I think would fit right here if I had it out of the case. So that's just kind of give you a little size comparison right there. So there's a little section right here. You unzip back here and you have a place for your ID, cards here. You have a section here, a section back here, a place for a pen. If you carry your checkbook, it'd be perfect in here. More card slots, and then more little sections right here. And then the back has a change purse, and this also has a little D-ring, so you can add a wristlet strap on there as well. All right, the next thing that I showed you guys in my last video was the pinch top eyeglass case. So everybody was ordering these last summer because they were so awesome, not only for your eyeglasses, but they were also awesome for your cell phone. So my iPhone 8 Plus fits in here. So this is a pinch top, so you pinch it just like this and you can slide your phone in here, slide your eyeglasses. So many options to this. Then you have a little zipper right here. So I would put on my lunch break, I would add a little wristlet strap on here so I could be hands-free. I had my iPhone 8 Plus on the inside, and then here I had my my ID, my debit card, and my chapstick, and I was good to go. So this is the pinch top eyeglass case. Perfect for teenagers. If you're going to the beach this summer, this is awesome to take with you. So it comes in 3 different prints. This is the twill stripe. It also comes in the slice of summer, which has watermelons on there, and it also comes in the woven stripe print. All right, so moving on, we have the backpack that's on sale. So this is the Going My Way backpack. It is in the Candy Corners print in my sale. You have a huge pocket on the front. You've got big mesh pockets on the side, and you have a handle right here in the back if you want to hang it. It's a great backpack, great for kids. If you want to stock up for back to school already, back in August here in Georgia, you've got a little mesh or elastic pocket back here. Great for, this is what my son carries, not this print of course, but he carries this backpack every day. And a lot of people are always worried, well, what about the white? Is it going to get dirty? Well, the bottom is like the navy color, but sometimes this does show a little dirt here. What I do with any of my products, I soak them in OxyClean first before I try anything else. Soak them overnight in water and OxyClean, and most of the time that gets it clean. So then you can use spray and wash after that, but most of the time OxyClean does work. So that is the Going My Way backpack. The next thing that we have is the Midway Hobo. This is in the Skies for You Pebble. We also have a Benjamin's wallet on my website. It's not on sale, but it is in this color. So if you do want that matching set, go ahead and grab that. But the Midway Hobo is what I carried for a long time. I'm just going to put a few things in here to kind of add a little weight. And it just kind of shows you, it gives you that little dip here when you're carrying it. I love this purse, you guys. So it's just got that hobo look. I just love this style of purse. I carried it for a long, long time. But you have a place for your cell phone right here. It's kind of place for your cell phone. You do have that zipper closure, and then on the inside you have 2 flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket, if you guys can see inside there. Great, great purse. This is on sale in several different prints. So the Skies for You, it comes in coral, and I think it also comes in caramel. So I love, love, love this bag. The next one that we have is the Cafe Crossbody. This is also in that Skies for You Pebble. I kind of call this my Tiffany blue because it looks like that Tiffany and Company. You guys know that brand. It kind of looks like that. So this also, the Cafe Crossbody, has a place for your cell phone. So this is a great crossbody, and I will just put it on crossbody just so you guys can see what it looks like from here. And then of course you can adjust the straps. Then you have on the inside the 2 flat, you guys can see these little flat pockets here. I'm not doing a good job showing you guys. 2 flat interior pockets and a zipper pocket. And then the Benjamin's wallet will fit in there. It fits in there long ways, and it will also fit in there tall ways. if that's a word. And it will zip close. So the Benjamin's wallet fits in there either way, sideways or up and down. All right, so this is the Cafe Crossbody. The next that we have in the sale is the City Chic bag, okay? In the sale, this bag comes in coral. I don't have coral, I have this one. But this is the best size purse. I adored this when I carried it. And you guys, I try to switch up my purses so I can tell you how I use them. But I carried this one for several months because it was the perfect size. So it's not too big, but it was not too small. Carry it on my shoulder like this. Of course, all of our bags have a place for your cell phone right here. It does have the zipper closure on top, so you can zip it closed, which I'm not going to, so I can show you the inside. But you have the two flap interior pockets and a zipper pocket, and as you guys can see, this will zip close. So this is the City Chic bag. It comes in coral in my sale. I adore this size bag. I loved it. All right, the next thing I want to share with you guys is our Studio 31. So we have two different Studio 31s that are in the sale. So you guys, if you've watched any of my videos, you know that this is our build your own bag. So you can customize your own purse. So it kind of looks boring, right? But what's so great about this is these flaps right here, they zip on and off. So you can change the flap, if I unzipped it correctly. You guys can change your flap and then change the look of your purse every day. So this is the Southwest stripe. This print is also in my sale. It looks really good with this coral. We also have the Skies for You pebble. And you guys, if this looks too bland for you, you can personalize this. So this is so awesome. So the Studio 31, the first thing that you do is you pick your base. So this is the modern base, so it's taller. And then we have a classic base, which comes about right here, but it's a little bit longer, okay? So that's the first step, is to choose your base. The base all has our signature cell phone pocket back here, a pocket here. Then on the inside, you have zipper pockets and flat interior pockets. The second step is to choose your flap. Like I just showed you, here's another flap. This is Sunset Medallion, and you just zip it on back here. So this has a zipper, and then this has a zipper. So you zip this on back here, just like that. And then the third step is to choose your strap. So we have several straps that are in the sale. This is coral, and I think we have the Skies for You pebble, which is that turquoise. So that is the Studio 31. So there's two of these that are in the sale. And then just to show you some of the flaps, this is the Sunset Medallion, which I adored this one. Don't ask me the name of this. I cannot for the life of me remember the name of this print, but it's kind of like that fall color. Then this is the Skies for You pebble. This is the Southwest stripe. Okay. And then this is the coral, and you guys can tell the personalization on here. It just kind of adds a little extra. So that is so fun, right? Then we have this is the Retro Metro Hobo. So this is a great little bag if you're like a dump bag person. This comes in the woven stripe. So you can wear this as a crossbody if you're taking files home with you, whatever. If you maybe you work outside and you need things close to you to grab out of your purse really quick, this is great for you. You can also adjust the length if you wanted to wear it on your shoulder or as a crossbody. On the inside, it has a button closure right here, and the inside is pretty big. And all of our Retro Metro lines have a inspirational saying on the inside. So this one says, confidence costs nothing. I love that. And then you have the two flap pockets and then a zipper pocket back here. So this is the Midway Hobo, not Midway Hobo. This is the Retro Metro Hobo. All right, the next thing that I have is we have several of our mini storage bins in the sale. So these are great not only for Easter, which we just had, but these are great for if you want to organize things under the sink in your bathroom, put your lotions, your hairspray, put all of that stuff in here. Then when you need it in the mornings, grab it out, put it on the counter, use what you want to use, put it back in there, and then slide it back under your sink, and your countertops are clean. Hello. So this is really, really great. It's great when you go on vacation. These things are fantastic. Great for flip-flops. I could go on and on. Gift baskets. You guys, these are great. So this is the mini storage bin. It comes in several prints in my sale. And then the last thing that I'm going to share with you guys, I'm out of breath. The last thing that I'm going to share with you guys is the well-suited garment bag. Okay, so this was a Hostess exclusive, maybe 2 years ago, 1.5 years ago, I can't remember. But it is in a different print, of course, on my website, but this is the one that I have. So this was a Hostess only. This guy's pretty awesome. It looks boring on my site, but I'm going to show you how awesome this is. Okay, so this is a garment bag. You've got a big, deep pocket on the front. You can personalize here. You have 4 snaps, so a snap here, 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 and here, and then you can also carry it like this. So this is great when you're traveling. It's also great if you have a little girl that is in ballet and you know it's time for her recital and she's carrying all those little outfits that she has to wear in her ballet shoes and all your makeup and your hairspray and all that stuff is all going to go in here. Okay, so you unsnap the sides. So sides here, here, okay? And then it opens up, you guys are fixing to be amazed, into this awesome garment bag, okay? So you got a little handle right here. So I'm just going to go on the front. You have 2 little zipper pockets here, so it's great for if you need makeup in here, if you need jewelry in here. You have these 2 huge deep pockets in the middle, so whether you're carrying your hair dryer or your shoes, flip-flops. I think I had like 3 pairs of flip-flops on this side, shoes on this side, and then the bottom section is a big mesh zipper pouch right here. So you can put, I think I had in here my hair dryer, my flat iron, my curling iron, all of that stuff. But you could use it for so many things. But it is a garment bag, you guys. So this middle section, you zip all the way down, and then it opens up into a garment bag, and of course you can put your hangers through here. So this is called the well-suited garment bag. Like I said, it looks boring at first, but when you open it up, you're amazed at how much this can hold. So this is a great carry-on bag. And you can put so many things on here, believe me. And these little things right here, they can they kind of give you a little give in case it's kind of bulky. So anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing my part 2 of my outlet sale. Remember that my sale is going to be over on Monday at midnight. So it's a quick, fast-paced sale. So if there's anything that you see in the sale, make sure that you snatch it up before it goes away, because it will be going away. Make sure that when you're shopping, if you do not have a hostess, that you choose my mystery hostess link. That way your name will go into the drawing for the hostess rewards. So at the end of the month, everyone that placed an order on that link, your name's going to go into my drawing for the hostess rewards. It's so fun. Ask anybody whose name has ever been drawn, and they are so excited because they get to choose free things, half price items, hostess only gifts. So anyways, I hope that if you're watching on YouTube, you're going to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. If you follow me on Facebook, please like my business page and join my customer group. I'd love to have you guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want to see any products up close, or you want to ask how I use them, please reach out to me because I would love to help you guys. So have a great day. Have fun shopping.